Click on the link below to get price. The WEN DF472X 4750W dual-fuel portable generator is a remarkable addition to any toolkit, especially for those who prioritize versatility and reliability. This generator operates on both gasoline and propane, providing flexibility depending on your fuel availability and storage preferences. With a starting wattage of 4750 and a running wattage of 3800, it's capable of powering essential appliances during power outages, making it a solid choice for home emergency preparedness. One of the standout features of the DF472X is its CO shutdown sensor. This safety feature automatically shuts off the generator when it detects harmful carbon monoxide levels, adding an essential layer of protection for users. In terms of performance, the generator has proven to be quite powerful, easily handling refrigerators, lights, and other small appliances without strain. The dual-fuel capability is seamless, switching between gasoline and propane is straightforward and efficient. Portability is another strong suit of the WEN DF472X. It includes a sturdy wheel kit and a foldable handle, making it easy to transport to job sites or outdoor events. Weighing around 100 pounds, it strikes a good balance between sturdiness and mobility. The 4-gallon tank provides a decent runtime, especially when using gasoline, which can keep your devices running for up to 11 hours at half load. Noise levels are moderate, certainly quieter than many other generators in its class. However, it's worth noting that, like any generator, it's best used a safe distance away from living spaces. The control panel is user-friendly, featuring multiple outlets, including two 120V receptacles and a 12V DC outlet, allowing users to charge batteries or run multiple devices simultaneously. In summary, the WEN DF472X is an excellent investment for those in need of a reliable, dual-fuel generator. Its combination of power, safety features, and portability make it suitable for both home use and outdoor adventures, ensuring you're prepared for any situation.